Hi guys, so now I show you this Zenit EM that I have. Yeah, take it out from the casing. Unfortunately for this one, the light meter does not work. Besides that, I'm gonna show you the aesthetics. The front, one side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. And this is the back. And this is serial number. Okay, gonna do the testing for the shutter. Okay, this is the inside. Let's start with 500. Okay. Okay. 500 works. Now let's do 250. Okay. Let's do 125. This one was 60. Again. No, it's 30 or flash mode. And then now it's bulb mode. What's that? The so weird. Oh man, the mirror come down prematurely. If I tilt it upside down, then it's fine lah. But if I fight gravity, ayo no. The bulb mode, sorry, does not work. But the other speeds works out, so it's a consolation. Okay, if you like this camera, please reach out to me. I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.